My cactus made a fruit, and here's what it looks like now. It is nice and plump, and I think I'm just gonna... This is gonna be a taste test of Epiphyllum Hookeri. Here's the fruit. If you recall, I pollinated this in late May, and I'm going to slice it up and see what's inside. Moment of truth to see if the cross with Pumilum was successful. Nice. Okay, so we have a fair amount of seeds. How are we gonna do this? Because I want to keep the seeds, but okay, I'm just gonna eat a little bit. Hopefully it's sweet and not nasty. Okay, it's like flavorless. Sweet, sweet but flavorless. Like no complex flavors. The seeds taste like peanuts though. So okay, Epiphyllum Hookeri tastes like sweet and peanuts. I figured I'd eat the rest of this half. This is more than enough seed. Then I'm probably gonna be able to grow anyway. So it's like a dragon fruit. Tastes just like it. Granted, they're in the same clade, I think. Yeah, but the seeds are noticeably more nutty than the actual dragon fruit. Granted, it may be different because dragon fruit is imported and may be harvested before it's ready, whereas this one I just picked off the plant. Now I'm gonna be taking a toothpick and removing all the seeds, or as many as I can, and then we'll store them and plant them in the future. Maybe wait a week before I plant them.